Team Saucy, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another reaction for you. Our boys, Home Free, dropped a brand new song today. So, well, not an original, but a brand new for them, I believe. So, yeah, let's check it out, man. Let's not waste any time. Shall we? I hope you guys had a great weekend, had a great Valentine's Day with the Mrs. or Mr. And I hope you guys are all doing well. So let's jump right into this thing. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel for me. Throw a like on the video if you like what you see. And other than that, let's hear what Tim and the boys got for us, man. I have no idea what to expect here. Unchained Melody. Little typewriter action.
Oh, my love.
What? I didn't know that that's what this was called. I love the hairdo. Oh, this is going to be awesome. I'm excited for this. I didn't know that that's what this song was called. I love this song.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time.
Love this. This is incredible. So, fun little story here. I brought my kids, as some of you know. It was their birthday the past 2 weekends. They're Irish twins. Yeah, I went and brought them to see my dad and his wife. And they got my daughter a hoverboard that has Bluetooth speakers in it, built into it. So she was ecstatic about that. That was super cool. But without anybody knowing, I connected my phone to it and put on some Home Free. And my dad ended up saying, who is this? And I showed him. And of course they had heard of Pentatonics just because they're so mainstream, but they had never heard of these guys. So I showed them just a bit of the Ring of Fire performance from the sing-off. They were like, "Oh my God, I do know who that is." They watched it apparently. I didn't even watch it when it was airing, right? But they did. So they were like, "They're still making music?" Blah blah blah. So I was like, "Yeah," and so we ended up going on this little stretch for like an hour where I just showed them some of the most amazing things that I've seen from these guys. And my dad was just so blown away by everything they could do. The Rupster, mainly the Rupster, because he was just like, I would play the song for him without showing him my phone, without showing him the video. And I would just keep playing the same part over and over again, where Adam would either do like a little double bass roll into the song or whatever. And you know, he's been a rock and roll fan his whole life, classic rock, whatever. And he's like, "That's not him, right?" "It's him." And then I'd show him the video. And he was just completely blown away. So I thought that was pretty cool to get to share my infatuation with these guys. And within an hour, I had them both hooked. And they're pretty religious people, so my stepmother, one of her favorite songs is wow, I can't believe I can't think of it. It's not Mary. Or wait, yeah, it is. Mary, Did You Know? It didn't sound right because 307 Reacts just did it. Whatever. Anyways, so I played that for her, their version of it, and she was just totally captivated. So I sent them a few videos, and I said, look, just go to their channel, dive right down the rabbit hole. You will not regret it. So I'm anxious to hear back from them and see what else they found that they really like. But yeah, rant over. I just thought that was pretty cool. You guys might enjoy that. But this is awesome. I love this. It's about time somebody cuffed and stuffed these guys for what they do to all of our wives, because there's nothing we can do about it. So we got to put it in the law's hands every now and then.
Oh, I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow.
Austin, hold on. Your buddy here, the guy, your neighbor, your cell neighbor. What was that? He just went from the ground floor to the penthouse in one fell swoop. That was incredible. It sounded so seamless. Wow.
Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. My darling, I've hungered for your touch. Oh, lonely time, lonely time. Oh, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed.
What was that? You know, I'm going to show this to Saucy Mom. Well, I'd like to, but I need to know, have they posted bail yet? Because I feel like they should be held without bail. Just let me know. If they're held without bail, I'll show it to her. If they're out and about with the free world, I'll probably keep this one to myself. What in the angel fluffernutter was that?
I need your love. Godspeed your love to me.
Ow! Good golly, Miss Molly. Holy smokes, man. Well, that was pretty cool. I love the whole vibe, the whole vibe of the whole thing. Like, so old school and just raw. I don't know. That was awesome. I love that. Bummed out I didn't get it right when it was dropped today, but you know what? Same day. No harm, no foul, I suppose, right? And yeah, for all my PTX fans, I'm going to go hunt for some PTX to listen to next. I just saw they just released a song today, and I couldn't wait till tomorrow. So I'm sure you'll understand, right? But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Throw a like on the video for me so that other people can find us and join the family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okie doke. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Stay safe out there in this crazy world, man. This is Saucy Dad. Until next time. Peace out, Saucy fam.
Have you guys seen this yet?
So, supposedly, this new gravity phone case is magic.
Not so sure I believe that, but let's check it out. It's literally not even sticky at all. There's no way this works.
I mean, I guess we'll try it. Whatever. What in the alien technology is this? Wait, what about the microwave? Dude, how? Okay, so it's obviously just glass stuff. How? Okay, whatever, but there's no way it holds up my phone, right? What? Well, I don't know how it works, but I do know you can save 20% off using code SAUCY. Click the link in my bio. Get yourself one. This is crazy. I've never promoted a single product on here before, but this is just the coolest thing I've ever seen.